In this video, you guys will learn how to create GUI for your game. So this is what we'll be building. It is so simple here. So as you can see, if you want to copy it, go ahead and copy it. But for now, I will show you how you guys can do that from scratch. So we'll click on the user interface. First, create a new scene. Then click on we need to create a user interface, of course. Click on that and double click, and let's write GUI and save as GUI scene. Let's overwrite the scene, and then what you're gonna do is add a button. Now I recommend you watch a lot of UI scenes. What I'm saying, UI videos about how to create UI in Godot. I recommend you watch those types of videos as much as possible, because this is not about just making a cool looking UI, okay? So it can get a lot complicated. So just double click on the button and we have your button. Just go back to the inspector and let's write play, and let's just click on this button and let's like drag like that, and let's make it in the middle. So I'll make this button to work. So before you even do that, what you're gonna do is go to project settings. In here, write scene, and in the run you can see the main scene. So you have to click on this and click on GUI scene. Now it will have world.tscn as your main, but the problem here, it will not run the GUI scene first, but we want to start the GUI scene first. So that's why you will say main scene, GUI scene. And if I now run the project, and as you can see, we have your GUI scene, not the main or the game. So you're just gonna play and nothing happens. So let's make it happen. So what I'm gonna do is we need to add a script first, of course, right? So let's go click on the script and let's load. For you, you will create the script. So create new script and just create GUI, right? But for now I already have a script, so I'm gonna just load, and what I'm gonna do is just go to node here. We need the pressed, click on connect, and button connect. So as you can see, it's already connected, but for you it will be like a pass. Just add this line of code. So we will say get tree dot change scene, and we'll say world.tsn. Basic stuff and simple stuff. Just save the scene and run. Bam, and as you can see, you got it. So this is how you create a simple GUI for your game. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.